Hey there guys, today we're going to be looking at how to restore your iPhone, iPod, or iPad. They all go off of the same basis of how to actually restore it. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and connect your iPod, iPhone, iPad into your computer and make sure it's connected. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and open up iTunes. Once iTunes is up, go ahead and go over to your devices and click on your device. And as you can see, there's a button here that says restore, and we're going to go ahead and click that. But before you do that, make sure you have all of your stuff backed up that you want to. So once you have that all backed up, go ahead and click on restore. It's going to ask you to back up, and I already backed up, so I'm not going to back it up. And then you click restore and continue, and then next, agree. Now it's going to continue to download the actual file. Alright, now that it's finishing up downloading, it should automatically start restoring your phone. It's going to extract the software. Alright, now it's going to start restoring your phone. As you can see, the phone automatically went into restore mode. Now it's going to start uploading the actual files and start sorting through some things. Alright, once it's done restoring, it'll go ahead and restart. You can either wait for the countdown or click OK. Alright, now your iDevice should just start organizing the files. Automatically reboot, do not touch it. And there we have it, starting to reboot. And there you have it, guys. We now have our restored iPhone, iPod, or iPad, and all you have to do is set it up with the backup or as a new iDevice. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment me or PM me. I read both. And if you like this video, then rate it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.